Hi. So this is my first blog. I'm not exactly sure what to say. My name's Melanie. And my dog's growling at me right now because I'm not petting him. So anyway, I'm from a really small town, and it's really boring here. So this is my dog. His name is Brutus. Yeah, and he's great. He keeps me company. Yeah, I didn't really think this through.